Hello everyone. Now in this video we'll see the second numerical on line. Okay, so I read the example. Just listen example carefully, and I'm writing here a given data only. A line having 2 points P1 and P2. Okay, and here the coordinates of the point is given P1 as 3, 4, 6, and P2 as 5, 7, 1. Okay, so these 2 points are given. Find number 1, the parametric equation of line. Parametric equation of line. Second, number 2, the tangent vector of the line. Tangent vector of line. Number 3, length of line. Number 4, the unit vector in the direction of line. In the direction of line. 4 things you need to find. Okay, so we will go one by one. Solution. Now line is having a coordinates like this. Okay, so I will explain the line first, how to draw the line. Okay, so let us say this is the y-axis, this is x-axis. Now I am considering only x and y coordinates. 2D line I'm drawing. So let us say here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Here again 1 2 3 4 and 5 and so on. Okay, now here 3 comma 4. Okay, so 3 is x and 4 is y. So 3 comma 4 will be the first point here. Let us say P1 is here, and second point is here 5 comma 7. Sorry, here 3 comma 4 and 5 comma 7. Okay, so 5 is x5 will be here, and 7 6 7 7 somewhere here it will be there. Okay, so 5 comma 7 will be the here P2. Okay, so this is actually line. Okay, so P1 and P2, this is straight line actually. Okay, straight line will be. So P1 and P2 will be the points, end points in 2D. Okay, then the first thing we need to find is parametric equation. Okay, parametric equation. So how to find the parametric equation? So we have in the last video also we have seen the parametric equation, the general term, and how to find the parametric equation. So parametric equation generally is given by P1 bar, P bar is equal to P1 bar plus U P2 bar minus P1 bar. Okay, so this is the general form of parametric equation. Now here you just have to substitute the coordinates of P1. So coordinates of P1 is 3 4 6. It is given here 3 4 6 plus U. Then coordinates of P2 minus coordinates of P1. So P2 is 5 7 1. So we'll write here 5 7 1. Now minus P1 3 4 6 3 4 6. Okay, so if you solve it, so this 3 4 6 will be as it is plus U. Now 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3, 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So these will be the coordinates. Okay, now if suppose now this is the parametric equation. Okay, so first thing. Okay, now here the coordinates of new point when u is equal to 0 or u is equal to 0.5 or 0.25 or 0.75, it is not asked, so you don't need to go for that. Okay, so in the last lecture, in the last video we have seen. Okay, so when u is equal to 0.5, so you need to find the coordinates. So that is not asked in this example, so we'll not go for that. The second thing that we need to find is tangent vector of line. Tangent vector. Now tangent vector of line, the equation we have seen. Okay, P dash bar is equal to P2 bar minus P1 bar. And if suppose you want to write in ij and k form, so I comma ijk into now p2 minus p1. So p2 minus p1, p2 is 5 7 1 minus p1 is 3 4 and 6. Okay, so if you again solve it, so I j k, and here column matrix will be there. 5 minus 3 is 2, here 3, and here it will be minus 5, sorry, so 2 3 minus 5 will be there. Okay, so I j k in this form. So if suppose you want to write this tangent vector, so p dash bar, you can write like this, 2i 3j minus 5k. Okay, so you just have to multiply these two matrix. So 2i plus 3j minus 5k, so this will be the tangent vector. Then third thing that we need to find is length of line. Okay, length of line. Now how to find the length of line? We are having length is equal to mod of p2 bar minus p1 bar. Okay, or we are again having one more relation under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, now we are having x2 y2 everything we are having. Okay, so just we will substitute here values. So x2, here coordinates are here like this, 3 4 6 5 7 and 1. Okay, so x2 is 5, x1 is 3, 5 minus 3 square plus y2 is here 7, y1 is 4 square. Now z2 is 1 minus z1 is 6 square. Now here you need to take here, so 2 square plus 3 square minus 5 square. Okay, so now if you solve it, so I am writing here the length L will be 6.164. Okay, unit is not given, so you don't have to mention here meter, mm, whatever. Okay, unit is not given, so you don't write unit. Then the fourth thing is unit vector in the direction of line. Okay, unit vector. Okay, we will call it as n cap. So n cap is given by p2 bar minus p1 bar divided by mod of p2 minus p1 bar, p2 bar minus p1 bar, sorry. Or you can write like this also, p dash bar divided by L. Now here p dash bar is nothing but p dash bar, here it is 2i plus 3j minus 5k. So 2i plus 3j minus 5k divided by L is 6.164. Okay, so here if you divide this 2 by this, 3 by this, and 5 by this, so you will get the answer like this. N cap is equal to, now 2 divided by 6.164 is nothing but 0.324i plus, now 3 divided by 6 point, this complete 6.164, it is nothing but 0.486j minus, now 5 divided by this, 5 by this is 0.811k. So this will be the unit vector in the direction of line. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the example. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next session also. Thank you.